Hi, I'm Mike LaChapelle. Welcome back to Innovation by Design. This is Module 6. And in this module, we turn our attention to the backstage of the business, otherwise known as the infrastructure. Now, the first component we'll consider is the key activities. Key activities are the most important things that the business must do to make the business model successful. Activities are the capabilities necessary for the business to be successful. And it's important here to focus on those activities specific to the success and type of business being run. This is not a shopping list of all the things that have to be done in running a business. Now, typical elements in the key activities block may include IP creation, design, whether it's product or software, manufacturing, marketing, supply chain management, or membership and subscription management, or even content creation. Try to avoid focusing on the things every business must do, for example, human resources, and concentrate on the capabilities specific to your particular business. Now, the key capabilities required of a business are dependent on the type of business. Now, value-added businesses, manufacturing or retail, need to concern themselves with supply chain, product or service creation, marketing, and distribution. What is important in this type of model is the linear steps in creating value and emphasizing cost and error reduction. The solution businesses, on the other hand, consulting, health services, procurement, need to be concerned with problem acquisition, finding and choosing solutions, and implementing those solutions. These types of businesses are typically customizing their solution for their individual customers' problems or jobs. These types of businesses are focused on the expertise and the cycle of acquiring a job or a problem and then finding the solution. Lastly, networking businesses, marketplaces, multi-sided platforms, are about linking people together by designing different solutions for each side in the multi-sided market. In the case of a platform such as Airbnb, Uber, or eBay, the platform provides the infrastructure to allow the two sides to interact and thus create value for each other. Networking businesses must consider three things concurrently: connecting your customers, providing a service to the participants to make the network work effectively, and then the infrastructure to enable the interaction of the network. Now, the key activities component is often susceptible to way too much information. It's very easy to get bogged down in detail when looking at all of the activities you need to do. It must be kept at a strategic level, capabilities, and not at an operational level, individual processes. And it should only be the key things necessary for success. When capturing your key activities as a check and balance, make sure you've captured all the activities necessary to create the value proposition. But you also might want to make sure that you've identified any particular activities related to your acquisition and retention strategies of the customer relationships, or the activities related to your channels. To summarize, when considering activities for a business, you should focus on the critical capabilities necessary to make that particular business a success. Often understanding the type of business being run, value-added, solution, or network, will help you to identify those activities. And finally, avoid overwhelming detail in this component and concentrate on the most important activities necessary to this type of business.